It might not seem like the time to break out the best water guns, but that's exactly why you should be on the prowl for them. Now that the colder weather has drawn in, super soakers and water pistols of all kinds have been enjoying surprisingly good discounts. That makes it a good opportunity to build up your arsenal ahead of next year. To help point you in the right direction and save precious time that could be spent messing about with the best water guns, we've rounded up our top recommendations below. Want implements of H2O mayhem that won't break the bank? You've got it. Let loose the hounds of water war. No matter whether you're looking for a cheap and cheerful option or premium super soakers that'll last long term, you'll find plenty of suggestions. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present you 5 best electric gel water ball blaster gun. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Yuan BEIER brand. Newly upgraded to a high-capacity battery, our blaster is capable of more than 6 hours of continuous use after 2 hours of full charge, and we've improved the performance of our electric motor. The Splatter ball blaster amazing firing speed, 400 per minute, and long-range shooting distance of a range about 65 plus feet. This Splatter ball toy blaster uses a biodegradable gel ball that bursts into a bunch of tiny pieces on impact and disappears completely when dry. Not only is it eco-friendly, it requires no cleaning. Let you enjoy the time of outdoor fun games. M416 Splatter Bullet Blaster is packaged in a gift box. It contains 1 gel blaster, water bullets, 1 magazine, 1 safety goggle, 1 reusable battery, 1 USB charger and 1 manual. The toy gel blaster is 29.5 inches. The exciting team shooting game is an irresistible entertainment for every boy or big boy. Give your boy this Splatter Ball Blaster automatic as the Halloween, birthdays, Easter, Christmas. Number 4 in our top is from the ToilFun brand. Pull the trigger to shoot bursts automatically by battery powered. This large-size squirt gun is easy to operate for adult and kids. The automatic electric water gun water blaster can hold 600 cubic centimeters water, leak-proof design tank, a better shooting and battle experience for kids and adults. And so long shooting range up to 32 feet. With a USB charging cable and rechargeable battery, it is easy to charge by a USB charger, power bank or computer, and leak-proof design for the battery compartment. Automatic electric blaster water gun is made of high-quality plastic material, non-toxic, ABS, safe and durable. Tested for safety and durability, without small parts or any sharp edges. This water pistol is great for swimming pool, yard, beach, party, family fun and outdoor activities. Ideal gift choice for birthday or holiday summer. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Gel Snipers brand. This kit includes 2 guns, magazines, containers, and 20,000 gel balls, everything you need to start your outdoor fun. It comes with a magazine, container, 20,000 gel balls, and protection glasses, a complete set to get you started on your outdoor fun. This gel ball blaster gun has an automatic mode that fires 5 shots per second, short regular mode, or long mode, letting you conveniently practice accurate shooting. Featuring 4 skin styles, our gel guns level up your outdoor game the stylish way. Choose from our US, comics, graffiti or fantasy edition and enjoy a simulation showdown with your friends. Suitable for kids aged 12 and above, our gel gun blaster involves physical exercise and targeting skills that the whole family will enjoy. Number 2 in our top is from the EAGLESTONE brand. Electric blaster can continually launch gel ammo downrange by holding the trigger. It does has semi-auto mode by pressing the trigger once. The IT can enhance combat strategy. Get ready to dominate your battlefield. The powerful motor gives it a continuous and fast fire rate, automatically firing up to 15 gel balls per second, with a range of about 100 feet. Be sure to wear goggles when using them to enjoy immersive gaming experience. Splat automatic water ball gun is equipped with modular battery which is easy to install and charge. only 1.5-hour charge provides you with unlimited fun. Splatter Ball toy comes with 30,000 certified high-speed 7 to 8 mm gel balls. Eco-friendly, non-toxic, non-irritating, and burst on contact. High-capacity hopper can hold more than 500 beads at most. No worry about running out of beads suddenly. This Splatter Ball pistol gun kit comes everything you need for first epic battle. 1 electric blaster, 1 fast charger and gravity-fed hopper, 1 pair of goggles and 30,000 beads. And finally, the #1 product in our top is part of the Oashot brand. Upgraded performance. This toy gun can use soft bullets and splatter balls either. You can load the soft bullet one at a time or install hopper to use gel balls. Safe and fun. Gel water ball blaster is a safe way for outdoor shooting games. This is a continuous electric gel blaster that can be installed with batteries, which can be used for a long time. The materials of the Fightus gel balls are non-toxic, eco-friendly, and biodegradable. It is very easy to assemble. This blaster is powered by a 1200 mAh battery. The battery is rechargeable. You can charge the battery with included USB cable. The gel water ball blaster is spring-driven. You can shoot 20 to 25 gellets per second and range up to 15 meters. It is equipped with a magazine that can load 600 to 700 gel balls. Without the need to constantly reload water balls, you can enjoy it in the team game. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.